Yeah, yeah. Hi. Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
ma'am. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. Thank you. Thank you so much for asking. And how's your day going? I hope you're having a good Saturday.
Yeah, good Saturday. So,
All
where are you
right, all
from?
right. So I'm from Delhi.
Where?
How about you?
Okay, okay. I'm from Mumbai, ma'am.
Acha, okay, okay. And
Yeah.
if I may ask, where in Mumbai are you from?
In Juhu,
Oh,
Andheri
great,
side.
great.
Andheri
Okay,
side.
okay. Right, right. So I visited Mumbai only once in my life. I want to come again. I really loved it when I came that time. When I went to Juhu Beach, I want to come again.
But this time, don't come. There is so much coronavirus.
Oh yeah, I think I should come after Corona's over.
You can plan after 1 year. Hope so. There is decrease
Yeah, 1 year's a
the.
long time though. 1 year's a long time.
Yeah.
But no worries, I'll come after Corona's over. I don't want to fall ill.
So,
Okay, Sonam.
I
So are
saw the
you ready
document.
for? Okay, yeah, go ahead.
I saw the document about the advertisement.
Right, right. So are you ready to talk about it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. So what do you think about advertisements? Do you think advertisements are important for a company to get more customers, or there should be no advertisements at all?
No, advertisement is very good to aware the some because the some people are not aware about the product. So if the company is like to uh, grow their product in market, so there is advertisement is very important for him to do the advertisement. And second thing is advertisement you connect with people. If you not connect with people, uh, so your advertisement is not good and your product is also not grow in market. So that it's one thing I realized that the advertisement is important for the market side. And about the customer, uh, customers is know about the product very well. It will be the useful for us or not, so that he or she buy that product if they feel no, it's a very good for helping their life or something anything, so they will have to purchase. They do not confuse it's good or not. That thing
Right.
I feel about the advertisement.
Okay. So basically, what you're trying to say is advertisement is important for customers to understand if a product is correct for them or not. Did I understand you correctly?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
yes.
perfect. That's very good. But do you think celebrities should endorse products or celebrities should come in advertisements? Is that important for a product to get popularity and be purchased? Or should advertisements not have celebrities?
Because I thought when the celebrities is coming in advertisement, so that
Mm-hmm.
people are more influenced because
Okay.
some cities like the celebrities more, so that in the mind that celebrity is advertisement, so that the product is very good because inspired by the celebrities, people are purchasing the product, not
Correct,
not
correct.
for the like a product. So now the company is plan they plan the strategy in of advertisement, and they uh, like a brand ambassador putting in advertisement celebrity to grow their to promote their product in market, so that they will perform well in market.
Okay. So have you ever purchased a product because a celebrity featured in the advertisement? Have you ever been influenced by a celebrity? Sonam, can you hear me?
No, the product is very good because I'm purchasing the product, not for now the in cost. I think so.
Sonam, I'm not able to
Yeah,
hear
I
you
can hear,
very
but
well.
your
Could you
video is
repeat?
paused. I think so.
Hello.
Now the
Yeah, Sonam, can you just
okay.
repeat?
I'm telling you, my
Yeah.
your
Go ahead.
video
Go.
is paused, ma'am.
My video is
Yeah.
paused. Okay.
You can hear.
Let me.
Yes.
Now I can hear you. Now I can hear you. Yeah.
I
Go
don't
ahead.
know where. Okay. Okay. So I'm telling you, I'm not influenced by any like advertisements. That one product is a Fair and Lovely. In my childhood, I was thinking the people are Fair and Lovely using so that they will fair. I
Hmm.
I think about that. The Fair and Lovely is really very useful for the like the people are the not in like a fair, so that he use that product he will be a fair
Right.
that product that product is influenced me more in childhood, but now that time I understand about the product and all the feature about the product, so not
Okay.
I'm not influenced. And now the time is like they are not advertising the product in a very like good way. I
Mhm.
recently saw the one advertisement. There is a Alia Bhatt, and she is eating the Kit Kat chocolate something in
Mhm.
wedding ground, and she's flying. I don't know
Okay.
why this advertisement prepare, because I can't understand what is a. There is no relation between the Kit
There's
Kat
no
and
purpose. Right. Okay.
yeah. Because it's people are thinking it's not useful for us.
Okay.
It's funny
So
video, I think
what I
so.
will do now is, can I tell you some corrections or can I tell you some errors which you can correct so that your English can become better?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Great.
Yeah.
So here, when you said, I don't know why they prepare that advertisement, instead of that, you can say, I don't know why they made that advertisement. So you make an advertisement, you don't prepare an advertisement. Okay.
Okay.
Right. You can say it had no relation to the product. I don't understand its purpose. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Did you understand this or should I explain this again?
No. I understand what you're telling.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay. Great. So you will use made instead of prepare.
Prepare. Yeah. Yeah. I don't
Yeah.
get the proper word because I speak
No
fast. That is
problem.
why.
No problem.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
I just want us 2-3 grammatical tenses. You can explain about the past tense, past perfect, or present perfect tense,
Acha,
where we use have. Yeah.
perfect tenses, present perfect and past perfect.
Yes. Because I'm very confusing when I'm speaking that in tenses. So
Mhm.
I'm doing the wrong mistake. Yeah, silly mistake I'm
No
doing.
problem. No problem. Okay. See, I think I don't have enough time to explain it because these topics
Just
will take.
one or two example. Yeah.
I will do that. I will do that. I will tell you that. But first, tell me, do you understand the simple present, simple past, and simple future very well? Do you understand those perfectly?
Yes. Simple present tense and simple past tense I understand, and simple future. But when we are talking about the present perfect tense and past perfect tense, now that time I will be confused about the verb and about the form, and also the like in third form, first form, I will confuse about that. That is why I'm asking you.
Don't worry. So don't get too technical and don't go into the first form or the second form. I will try and explain it to you very quickly. Let's look at the
Okay.
present perfect tense first. Now,
Okay.
at the sentence, he has just left. This is present perfect. Something that has just happened 1 minute ago or 2 minutes
Oh,
ago. He has
okay.
just left. Okay, this is present perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so here in present perfect, you have the subject, that is he or she or I or we, plus you have has, plus you have the past participle of the verb. Okay, so he has left, he has just
Okay.
left.
Okay.
Okay, that is present perfect. Do you understand this?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, all right. Now past perfect will of course relate to the past. It will be about something that has happened in the past, right?
Okay.
Now
Yes.
in the past, understand this sentence now. I had left by 9 p.m. that day. So I'm talking about the past, I'm talking about that day. I had left by 9 p.m. that day. So you're talking about a particular point of time and something that that had already happened till that particular point of time. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Are you confused or did you understand that?
No, no, no. I completely understand what you are saying.
Are you
Yes,
sure?
ma'am.
Have you understood perfectly?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Because I little bit confused when I'm going to be speaking now. That time I don't get a proper tenses knowledge. That is why I just confuse what the form we use in first, second, third form, and you're talking the had and was where in the, I think, past indefinite, there was we use the was, and the past
Sonal,
perfect.
I will suggest we don't go into that right now because that's a long topic and you will get even more
Oh,
confused if I don't explain it completely to you. Okay. So maybe you can discuss it with your next teacher right from the beginning. But for past perfect and for present perfect, this is the structure. Okay.
okay, okay, okay,
Right.
okay,
So you can say, I have understood everything. When you want to say this, so you don't say I understand. You don't say I understood. You can say I have understood everything.
okay.
Okay. So when I asked
Oh,
you, have you understood? What will you say?
yes, I understood.
Yes, I understood or I have understood what you said.
Okay, 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 ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so there is one more error that I want to correct for you. Could you just open the chat box?
Yes,
Have you opened the chat box?
yes, yes.
Okay. So look at the last sentence here when celebrities is coming. Instead of is, you use are because celebrities is plural, right? So celebrities are coming and not is. Is used in singular form.
Okay, okay, okay. Because I'm
Okay.
using, if we are talking about the so many, that time use the S and celebrities.
Yes, that time you use S, of course, but after that you use are when celebrities are coming, not is. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so why don't you use the complete sentence I gave you? Did you understand this?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Yeah, Sonam,
Your
can you hear
voice
me?
is just little bit. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, did you understand this?
Yes, yes. Whatever you're telling, I understand.
Okay, so why don't you use the complete sentence that I gave you?
Which sentence, ma'am?
So, I told you right before this, you can say, yes, I have understood everything.
I have understand everything.
I have understood everything.
Understand everything. Yes.
Understood, not understand. I have understood everything.
Okay. 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 I have understood everything. Whatever you are
Perfect,
saying.
perfect. All right, Sonam. So the time for our session is over now. I will cut the call. See you next time and good luck.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, okay.